Hi guys, it's Destiny. Thanks for clicking onto this video today. Before we get started, I just want to tell y'all that y'all should be proud of me. I tried to slick the edges. This is as good as they are ever gonna get from me, so just acknowledge them, Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to save money this Christmas. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you aren't already, and see how you can save this Christmas money and from disappointment. The first thing I'm going to start off with is Black Friday shopping. Everyone knows that Black Friday shopping, they have discounts, they have sales, this, that, and whatever. So make sure you catch them when you can. Pay attention to the sales and stuff, because a lot of times they like to trick you. What I did personally is I saved the money for my birthday, because my birthday is in October, and Black Friday shopping is in November and Christmas is in December. Captain Obvious. So what I did was save my money for my birthday. As soon as you get your stuff, put it away. If you can't wrap it right away, put it away right away, because you are going to be tempted to use it. And you're like, oh, this is just my little gift. I'll open this before Christmas. The other things I'll open on Christmas. No. Put it away. Put it out of sight, so you will not be tempted to use it or wear it before Christmas. Get what you get. Wrap it as soon as you get it and put it out of sight. And then you won't go and buy off too much stuff because you already went, That's how you save the first way. Okay, my second way, or my next way to save, is using gift cards. I got gift cards for my birthday. What I did with my Visa gift card is kind of what I did for Black Friday shopping. I took it as the money was the gift for my birthday, and whatever I buy with that money is my gift for Christmas. And what I got was makeup, of course. My favorite YouTuber, which is Amber Shoal, she just came out with a makeup line, and I just love her. I love her energy, and I love her makeup line. Here is my card. There's nothing left on it but $3. And I got it from Shop Hush. Here it is. I'm going to wrap that as soon as I get a chance. We actually don't have any wrapping paper at the moment, I don't think. But I put it in a safe place, out of sight, out of mind, so I won't use it. But that is going to be my Christmas gift to myself. It's not open yet, so technically it's still new. For this also beauty card, I am doing the same thing. I am going to shop online, I guess, and use this card. There I go, another gift for me. Sounds kind of selfish, but you can do this for other people too. And since it's my gift card as a gift, the gifts are supposed to be for me, so that's just that. Next, I'll get to the disappointment part later. Use discount codes and coupons, however you say it. So when you're shopping online, I think it's really important that you use discount codes and coupons or whatever you can to save money. Just save money. Do whatever you can to save money. Like, James Charles, he has his discount, his 10% off using code James, I think. And then coupons, I feel like you can get those in the mail. Some are printable. The next thing you can do to save money is recycle. This is something I have done in the past, and it is a way to not be wasteful. Why get new things when you have things and you just need to refresh them, So I'm going to show you how to recycle this Christmas and turn old things into new things. How about we start with movies? I'm going to bring up Ariana Grande again in her Thank You Next video. She brought 4 movies back to life, right? That's what I'm kind of going to do, but with movies I already have at home. Here's an actual movie from one of the scenes in Ariana's video. 13 going on 30. So if you can't tell, we've watched this a lot. And I love this movie, and I loved it before she put it in her video. So we're going to wrap this. All of these movies are basically girly. They're still great movies, and they're my favorite movies. So I'm going to wrap them up and be surprised when I open them. And maybe it'll encourage me to watch them again and give Netflix a little break or something. Okay, these next 2 things are things I've got in my first Christmas in Georgia. I don't use them, but I want to. I'm going to wrap it up in hopes of wanting to use it again when I reopen it. So let me just show you what those are. Everyone's been through that Katniss phase when Hunger Games came out, and I surely did. So what I have here is a bow and arrow. I do not know how to shoot this. I do know that, you put it on the thing, you pull back and you release, and it goes somewhere. And the next thing, here's my guitar, and it comes with a pitch pipe. I wanted to be a songwriter. Still kind of do, but we're not giving that a shot right now. It's just not the time. Next, we have the items I got for state gifts, and it was basically like cheer Christmas, and I haven't used everything, so the things that I haven't used, I'm going to rewrap and open on Christmas. I have this candle that I got. It smells so good. I got some nail polish, and I got my monogram. So thanks, Bella and Hannah. Shout out to y'all for getting this for me. So basically, all I mean by that is just get something that you haven't used in a while or haven't used at all, and it's just sitting around the house. Just freshen them up and wrap them up and give them away. If you're not going to use it, why waste space and money? What I want to say about recycling is, one, you're finding a way to not waste the things that you've put to the side. You're bringing stuff back. Everything comes back eventually anyways, so why not bring them back this year and wrap them up and open them on Christmas? Lastly, for the recycle part, I'm going to do jewelry and accessories, because like this part kind of leads into my next thing, which is make your own things. I'm going to show you how you can take some of your old jewelry or accessories and make them into different types or new ones. So here is a necklace. My best friend was going through her jewelry. She wasn't going to use it. Why let it go to waste? My first thought was to make earrings. I actually have a jewelry kit, and I know a lot of people may not have a jewelry kit, but you can always take some old earrings and take those pliers, and if you don't have those, take scissors. Just be careful not to cut it as you're pulling it apart, and just take this off of this, get one of those earrings, the dangly type earrings, and just take whatever that is off and attach this to it, and then boom, you have new earrings. Just find a way to improvise, okay? I had a piece of ribbon. What I did is I made it into a choker. I attached both of these to the end of these, and I have to just connect it and wear it like a choker. This was a headband, and what I did, oh, there's hair in it, was made it tighter, and made it a choker. And here's a bracelet that I remade. The order of it was just not cute. It was just not cute. So what I did was I took it apart and I added some, took away, and just made my own little design. Okay, so this is also a headband, right? I feel like you can also use it as a scrunchie. It won't be as scrunched up as a scrunchie, but it'll be a thick band, I guess. My bun's too little for this, but something like this. Both of these actually lead me to my next one, which is make your own things. Now, I know not everyone has a jewelry kit just laying around, but if you do, make your own jewelry. And if your mom has old jewelry that she doesn't want anymore and you don't like the way it looks, just take it apart and redo it. And so I just have like all these little bracelets that I planned on selling, but I'm not a good salesperson and no one really wanted to buy mine, so that's okay. I'll just end up wearing them. And then scrunchies are like really popular now, so I'm going to show you how to make scrunchies out of things that you can find lying around your house. Although if you don't have your grandmother's sewing kit, you might have to leave the house for needle and thread, but I don't think it costs that much. My next one is going thrift shopping. Actually, the pants that I'm wearing right now, these ones, they're actually American Eagle pants. And American Eagle are pretty expensive, if you ask me. I got these for like $4. I don't exactly know how much they were, but I know they weren't like $40, $30, $60. I know that much. And my next thing is my jean jacket, and it's like an oversized jean jacket, and I will admit this had a smell to it when I first got it. It doesn't smell like it anymore. So yeah, just go thrift shopping. It's popular nowadays anyways. Save you some money. Last but not least is to remember the real reason of Christmas. Focusing more on giving than receiving. It'll like take some of that disappointment away if you don't get something. Even though you won't get something, you gave something and you did something good and it makes you feel good. It makes me feel so happy when I just give something to someone or just make them happy. This year, I just really want the experiences. I want to go ice skating, drink hot cocoa, watch Christmas movie, listen to Christmas music, go see the lights. That's what I want to focus on. I don't want to focus on getting things, because if I focus on getting things, most likely I will be disappointed on not getting what I want or not enough or whatever. So I don't want to be disappointed this Christmas. I want to be happy. I want to be with my family. You should do that. That's what's going to save you the disappointment, you know. All these things that I've listed, I feel will save you the disappointment, because either way you'll get something for Christmas if you do any of the things I've done. Give, save, recycle, experience. That is my opinion on how to save money this Christmas and saving yourself from disappointment this Christmas. So if you agree with any of the things I've said, give this video a thumbs up, like it, comment what your favorite hack or tip is in this video, and tell me how you choose to use that tip. I hope this Christmas is good for you, and stay tuned for more Christmas videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.